Hello everyone, this is Jingsong, and today's video I'm gonna show you how to download any videos from YouTube. So let's get started. You can download any videos from YouTube, but you just need an application called Internet Download Manager. But make sure you have the latest version of Internet Download Manager installed on your computer. So you just open up your browser, and right now you just search for the latest version of IDM. But if you download that software from the official website, you will get the trial version, and you use just in temporary. But I want you to check the version from here. You just go to Bagas 31. This one, you spell like this and press enter. And this website allows you to download any software for free, just like this one. Go that, and here the first appear right here. It is the latest version of Internet Download Manager. Just click it, and you can scroll down a little bit to find the download link. Okay, you can choose any link from here. Example, we have two files. The first one is the installation file, and the second one is the crack file. So you need both. Okay, you need both. First, you just download the setup file and just wait for 5 seconds from here. Click OK. Right now you can click this link again, and don't forget, I am a human. Click this. Right now you just wait a few seconds. Oh, sorry, skip ad. Don't forget, when you see this, just click skip ad again. Oh, okay. Right now you can choose get link again, because some link are advertisement links, so you need to be sure that you click the exact link. Click free download from here. See this? Click free download again. Alright, you just scroll down a little bit, wait for 30 seconds. Just wait it. Almost there. Okay, click create download link. Click again. Okay, just wait it. Right now you can click here to download. Just click here, click it again. Alright, just click it here. The download file is right here. But you have to be sure, you need to disable your Windows Defender. Just click the tray icon from here, double click it, and go to virus and threat protection, and choose manage settings, and turn this off. Turn this off and this off. Okay, when you're done this one, go back to the download link, the correct one, but you choose this one. Choose keep. All right, keep it. Now go back to the previous page and click download the crack file from here. Just click that again, and just do the same process for the first time that you download the installation file. Click continue, and click this again, and choose I am a human, and wait for 3 seconds, and then choose get link. Get link. Click once again. Oh, you have to click many times. This one, choose free download. Just again, Okay, you have to be sure that you are in the real link. From here, you just wait for 30 seconds. Right now, just click create download link. Click again. Okay, you almost there. Just click here to download. Once more. Okay, just pop up right here. You just click this arrow and then choose keep. Okay, and next you have to access your download file, your installation file. Click that again, that place again, and choose show in folder. Where is it? Right here. Just right click that file and choose WinRAR and choose extract to this one. Okay, and next just double click it to install. Double click it and start your installation. Click next, accept, next, next. All right, finish and click close. But remember, before you can install this application, you have to turn off your virus protection, especially Windows Defender. Alright, I just choose exit here before I crack it. Exit it first and go back to the crack file, this one. Right click on the crack file and choose extract to this. Okay, where is it? Right here, double click it and choose patch. Okay, right now you just click patch buttons. Okay, click yes. Find your installation file. Where is it? Drive C and this one and Internet Download Manager, and select this one and open. Okay, you have done this installation and click exit. Right now you can use your Internet Download Manager. You just double click it to start it up. Right now you see the latest version. You already cracked it. Now you just open up your browser again and go to YouTube website, this one, YouTube, and find the video you want to download. Example, I will choose this one. Perfect. Okay, maybe this. Click it. Okay, you see this icon. You just click here and choose any version of a video, like 720p HD or 1080p HD. So you just select one of them and browse the location to store the file and click save. Alright, when you're done, you will see the video, and sometimes you may need to restart your computer before this application get affected. Okay, if you have any problems with this, just ask me in the comment below. Thanks for watching, but don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more updated video. Thank you. Bye bye.